Hello everybody. My Jeep was making a banging noise whenever I climbed over a rock with my tire here, and I took it to Big O and they wanted to replace the whole front end. You know, they wanted to spend thousands of dollars. I mean, do you guys see anything wrong here with this sway bar at all? I mean, with it just sitting like this, you would think there's nothing wrong. And I guess it confused the Big O guys too. So anyway, let me show you what happens when you raise this top. It was making a horrible noise, and I didn't know what to do with it. I thought the whole truck was going to have to be scrapped. But watch me climb on this lift to simulate a rock. I think that did it. Oh, there it went. Did you hear that big bang? It was making that bang noise. But you see, this tie rod end pops out. It goes into place, and so you can't ever see what the problem is. It's the little linkage for the tie rod end. It was making that horrible noise that you just heard, and I thought it was something mechanical maybe, because I couldn't see anything wrong with the front end. But anyway, that's a $40 part. Big O couldn't find it, but I was able to find it by simulating me climbing over a rock. I just thought I'd let you guys all know. Thank you.